Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. When we first moved to Kerala, we stayed with our auntie and the first day breakfast was Puttu and Kadala Curry. It was so delicious that I knew I had to learn how to make it. My auntie showed me just how easy it is. First I'll start with cooking overnight soaked black chana. But to be honest with you, my first two attempts were a big flop. But you know what? Those two attempts helped me realize where I was going wrong. That I will share with you. Today I am using rice puttu powder. But you can also try ragi or wheat puttu powders for different flavors. In a large bowl, take 1 cup of rice flour. The key is adding right amount of water. There is no perfect measurement. It really depends on the flour you are using. Just remember to gradually sprinkle water over the flour and mix well with your fingers. Make sure the mixture should be crumbly and hold together when pressed. Avoid making it too wet, as steam needs to pass through. Rest it for 15 minutes. In the coconut oil goes mustard seeds, minced garlic, onions, green chilies, red chilies, curry leaves, saute them until golden brown. Salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder. Fry the masalas well. You can also add garam masala. I'm avoiding it. This is puttukutti or puttu maker. Will be available in two different shapes. Allow the water to boil. Let's start layering by adding a thin layer of grated coconut at the bottom of the puttu maker. Then the rice flour over the coconut. Repeat the layers ending with a layer of coconut on the top. Ensure you don't pack the mixture too tightly, as steam needs to pass through. After our delicious breakfast, we noticed it was a rare sunny day after many days of continuous rain. And since it was a Sunday, we thought, why not head to the beach, enjoying the beautiful weather and some quality family time. After spending a lovely morning at the beach, we were pretty hungry. We decided to try a nearby Punjabi restaurant for lunch. The food was amazing and it was perfect way to end our outing. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe.